Both sides are committed. The engagement is heavy, but nothing is breaking. Mass is about applying overwhelming force at the decisive point, not everywhere at once. When you spread your strength evenly, you spread your effect. The enemy absorbs the pressure and continues to fight. So where can you break them? The question isn't where to fight by random choice, but it's where the enemy can least afford to lose. Instead of pressing everywhere, you concentrate. You accept risk on the flanks to gain decision at one point. Mass always involves accepting risk elsewhere. Concentrated force doesn't just win ground, it shatters cohesion. Breaks command and control, not just formations. Once the line breaks, the fight is no longer equal. Now momentum and maneuver follow the breakthrough. Mass has some of the clearest, most dramatic examples in all of military history, because it's the principle that decides breakthrough versus stalemate. In Normandy, American forces stopped attacking everywhere and smashed one sector instead. That single breach unraveled the entire German defense of Europe. Hopefully, we opened your mind on the idea of, if I fight everywhere, I'm being strong. Because fighting everywhere often means winning nowhere. But concentrating power in one place means accepting weakness somewhere else. You can't be strong everywhere at once. So how do commanders decide where to take risk? That's the next principle, economy of force. This has been Keith's Orders of Battle, Principles of War.